Hello there. A very warm welcome to our cybersecurity training for employees.
Let's delve into an interesting topic, phishing. Lesson 6.
What is phishing, you might wonder? Phishing is a type of cyber attack where attackers try to trick you into sharing sensitive information like passwords or credit card details. They do this by pretending to be a trustworthy source, often through fake emails, messages, or websites that look legitimate, but are actually designed to deceive you into giving away your personal information. To prepare you for my attack, I will share some of my secrets. This way you can spot my attacks if you remain vigilant. I may work from a different time zone from you. You may receive a phishing email outside of normal work hours. That's a hint.
I agree. Let's hear some words of wisdom.
Next, I will impersonate someone you know. I can be your colleague. I will get your colleague's name and email address when I research the internet. At times, I will impersonate your vendor or supplier. While I may not be able to use the legitimate organization domain for email, I will fool your eyes by replacing with lookalike characters.
While the company may already install security tools to detect phishing emails, some are simply cleverly engineered and got past the security tools. So you are the last line of defense. Stay vigilant.
If that does not fool you, I will use AI to craft an email, so don't expect any grammatical errors. The email will be cleverly crafted. I will use link to direct you to a malicious site that closely resembles the legitimate one. From that site, I will steal your login credentials and personal information. However, you will be able to spot if the link is legitimate by hovering the mouse over, so that the destination URL is revealed. But there are times that I will use URL shortener so that you will not get to see the real destination even when you hover your mouse over the link. I will also attach malicious file to the email, hoping that you will download and open the file. So ask yourself, is this email what you expected? If no, does it call for more caution? Nonetheless, you will still be able to spot from the contents. That's because I wanted you to perform transaction within the shortest possible time span, and without you verifying or validating. I will use authority over you and add a sense of urgency for you to perform the transaction I wanted.
So, be on the alert when you receive contents that pushes you to perform any transactions. If this content and urgency are not what you are expecting, and if you suspect that you have received a phishing email but unsure, approach your IT security team for assistance.
Remember, you are not the only one using AI tool. Watch out for cleverly crafted phishing email. If it's too good to be true, it's usually fake. Remember, email is the primary method I'll use to infiltrate your organization. Never use your work email to sign up for any personal websites or services. This practice reduces the risk of receiving unexpected emails in your work inbox. If one does appear, it's likely a phishing attempt. Stay vigilant.